Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Mini Macaron just released a brand new trio collection called the Love Set, featuring 2 brand new gel polish shades and 1 classic shade. If you're new to Mini Macaron, their gels are all vegan, cruelty-free, and 9-free, and they all have a 3-in-1 formula which combines a base coat, color coat, and top coat all in one bottle. They also have the most adorable LED lamps shaped as macarons, and today I'll be using my mini lamp in the shade Cherry Red. If you've been following me for some time, I'm sure you know that I love my LMM gels, and I have a bunch of videos reviewing and swatching their gel polishes, DIY gel manicure kits, and the Maxi lamp, so I will leave a link down below to my LMM playlist. And each of these gel polishes currently retail for $11.99 USD on their website, but you can use my code caramellogram10 to save 10% on regularly priced items. And as of recording this video, the Love Set is currently on sale for $29.90 with the code LOVETRIO. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. The first shade in this trio is called Salted Caramel, and this is one of the brand new shades. Salted Caramel is described as a rich and warmly spiced soft brown, and this shade totally reminds me of my favorite chocolates in any assorted chocolate box that are filled with caramel. So for the first coat, I applied a really thin layer, and that had pretty good coverage, but it did need a second, so I'll cure that for 30 seconds and then I'll apply my second coat. This brown definitely leans pretty warm, especially compared to the other brown in this trio, which I'm going to swatch next. And here are 2 coats of Salted Caramel. The next shade is another brand new shade called Crème de Chocolat, which is described as a creamy and indulgent dark chocolate brown. Here's the first coat, and it is a little sheer, but remember, you want to apply a very thin first coat, and then you can apply a slightly thicker second coat to get better coverage. I'd say that compared to Salted Caramel, this shade is darker and cooler toned, and I feel like it has a bit of purple in it, and I applied 2 coats, but I noticed in some of my swatch photos that it seemed a tad sheer in some areas, but in person it looked completely opaque to me, so I feel like 2 coats is enough, but you could always apply a third if you want. And here are 2 coats of Crème de Chocolat. And finally, the last shade in this trio is a classic red shade from Mini Macaron called Pomegranate. I'd probably describe this shade as a brick red or a crimson red, and on the first coat it kind of looks more like a cherry red, but when it's opaque after the second coat, the color deepens to more of a crimson/brick red. Another thing I want to mention is that all these gel polishes had a really smooth formula. None of them were too thick or too runny, and they were really easy to work with. I know I mentioned this in all my LMM swatch videos, but they don't have that annoying sticky layer after curing like some other gels, which is just another reason why I love them. And here are 2 coats of Pomegranate. So here's one more look at the 3 shades from the new Mini Macaron Love Set Trio. Let me know which one is your fave by leaving me a comment down below. Anyways, that's all for today's swatch video. If you want to see some of my other Mini Macaron videos, I will leave a card on your screen and a link in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!